Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate to translate text, speech, images, and even entire conversation in just a few clicks. Whether you are traveling, learning a new language, or communicating with somebody from another country, this guide is going to help you get the most out of Google Translate. So let's get started. So first of all, if you find this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. So first of all, to use Google Translate, you open your browser and in the search bar you type translate.google.com. Translate.google.com. Yeah, so it brings you to this page. So now if you want to translate a text which you don't understand, you just have to copy that text. So I have a text here from a foreign language. Just copy it and come and paste it here, and automatically it translates it into English, meaning go to school. You can translate it into Spanish, into Arabic, and in this drop down there are tons of languages here that you can translate to. So Dari to, yeah, and you can play the
Andare a
audio.
scuola. Andare a scuola.
اذهب إلى المدرسة.
Perfect. So this is how to translate a text from one language to another. And in this tab you have images. So if you have an image written in a different language which you want to understand what the image is saying, you can just save the image on your phone or on your computer and come to browse. Now when you come to browse, you look for where you save the image. In my case, it's in downloads. So you just double click to import the image. So automatically it translated it from Spanish to English. Or you can toggle this over here to show the original language. Very good. So sorry, the original language is Italian and it translated it into English. So you can change it to Spanish, change it to Arabic. Yes. So afterwards you can just copy the text from the image. Example, you can just copy it, saves on your clipboard, come here, paste it. Perfect, it is here. Or you can download the translation, download it, open it as an image, and there you go, the translated version of the Italian language. So yeah, now in the next tab we have documents. So this place, if you have a document written in another language, you can just browse your computer and locate that document and import it into Google Translate. Now Google Translate will translate the entire document and you'll be able to download it just as we were able to download the images. Yeah, and here we have websites. Now on the website, if you have a website in a different language, let's say you have a website in a German language or any other language, but you don't speak that particular language, you can just copy the URL or the uniform resource locator of that website or the link of that website, paste it here, and send it. Google Translate will translate the entire website into English for you. So yeah, this is a basic usage of the Google Translate. And if you find this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more of these videos. Thank you.